Hello?
All right, welcome back. The Food and Drug Administration has approved Kybella, the first injectable product to treat what's known as the double chin. Now, this morning, we're joined by Dr. Stephen Finnical of Charlotte Plastic Surgery. He's one of a select few doctors across the country trained to offer this new product. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you. We were talking to you a couple months ago about the start of summer, and here we are, already the first day of August. So tell me about this. I have not heard of this treatment before. It's relatively new.
Brand new. It was approved in April. It's an injectable treatment that actually dissolves fat. So the nice thing about it, it's an in-office treatment. Spend a half hour in the office, get an injection, you get to leave, go back to work, and in a month, the fat in the area that was injected is gone. Now, it's only approved for under the chin, the double chin area, and there's basically three things that people come in for. It's aging, they have some weight gain, or that person that is in tip-top shape and still has a bubble underneath their chin.
And so this treatment, you know, it's relatively new. Is it? How did they come up with it? How does it work effectively, Kybella?
Well, it's deoxycholic acid, which is actually already in our body. Wow. It's how we dissolve fat. So what happened is they were able to synthetically make it. And so it's something that's not foreign to us, but it's not human-derived, and it's not animal-derived. It's actually synthesized. And so you inject it, and it actually dissolves fat.
Interesting.
And
so
it's permanent.
And you said, though, this is not something that, you know, really was going to put you out of commission for too long.
No. People that get an injection might have some bruising for a day to 2 days. They may have some swelling, and it may feel tender to touch, but it's not painful. Most people go right back to work and really with no problems.
Yeah. You mentioned it a little bit, but yeah, it's referred to as a double chin. But what kind of causes? What was really going on there? You know.
Well, there's a lot of people that just have a congenital extra fat storage in that area, and that's absolutely normal in a lot of folks. And you'll see like family members, basically. There are other people that just have some weight gain, a little overweight, or others with aging will have some droop there. But it's very important to go to a doctor that knows how to evaluate that, to make sure that there's not something else going on, but also to make sure that they're treating the right things.
Yeah, and thinking about all the doctors, you know, the plastic surgeons there are in the country, one of 180 you are that can practice this right now. Were you excited to get this into your practice? Or?
Well, it's great. I got into the early training program. I'm now involved in training other doctors on how to use it, so that's always an honor, too.
Yeah. For folks out there who maybe have never had any sort of plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery, should they come in, get a consultation? What do you recommend?
Come in for a consultation. We are having an informational event on September the 10th, and that's going to be an evening event, so it's convenient to people. We do ask for an RSVP, but you can call over to Charlotte Plastic Surgery and ask for that.
Yeah, we have some information up on the screen right now. Talk to us about where you're located, though.
We're in Uptown at 2215 Randolph Road, and we also have a Ballantyne location. You know, so there's a couple of things they can do there as far as maybe taking place in that. If they miss the informational meeting, they can find more information online? Absolutely, and they can also come in for a consultation.
Okay, great. Well, some good advice there. And again, it's called Kybella. It's relatively new. You said April was when it got approved by the FDA?
Got approved, yeah. Training was in June.
Yeah. Well, hey, if you want to find out more information, we'll be sure to get this online at WBTV.com. We'll link to your website so they can get more information about the classes that are coming up if you want to get some more information. Good to see you. Hope you enjoy the rest of your summer here. And stick around, we're going to have more news and weather coming up right after the break.